Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix auto reply while driving not sending text in iPhone on iOS 17. So let's get started. First thing first, open the settings app in your iPhone. Then simply scroll down till you find the option focus. Now inside the focus, you will get to see the option driving and simply tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll get to see the auto reply option available there. Tap on it again. Now in auto reply, if it is on favorites or other, then simply make it to the all contacts, and you can also change the text as well. You can change the text of auto reply according to your preferences. Then also make sure that the auto reply is applied to the all contacts. So after you tap on the all contacts, then simply go back to the settings app again. Now when you go back to the settings app, look for the messages option and tap on it. Then inside messages, make sure that the focus is turned on, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.